8 hours in a chair does more damage than most workouts can undo. Hips lock up, shoulders roll forward, and your spine slowly molds into the shape of your desk. That's what I call desk body. And it's the reason so many people feel tight, sore, and weak even if they exercise. The good news is that you can reverse it. Today I'll show you 5 simple calisthenics moves that rebuild your posture, wake up your glutes, and make your body feel strong again. Your body learns whatever you repeat. Hours at a desk teach your hips to stay tight and your shoulders to round forward. Then you train on top of those patterns and wonder why nothing changes. To reverse this, we start by reopening the upper back with a simple move, wall slides. But before I show you the first move, drop a comment. How many hours do you usually sit in a day? Let's get a real picture of what we're all dealing with. Move 1. Wall slides. This reopens the upper back and restores shoulder movement. Stand against the wall, press your lower back flat, and slowly slide your arms up and down like you're making a snow angel. Don't let your ribs flare. Do 2 sets of at least 10 reps. You'll feel your upper back muscles waking up immediately. Move 2, glute bridge. Sitting all day literally shuts your glutes off. The bridge turns them back on. Lie on your back, feet close to your hips, push through your heels, and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. At the top, squeeze your glutes as if you're trying to crack a walnut. Hold for a second at the top, then lower slowly. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This is the foundation for hip strength and protecting your lower back. Move 3, scapular push-ups. Desk shoulders love to shrug and roll forward. Scapular push-ups teach control. Get into a plank, keep elbows straight, and only move your shoulder blades. Squeeze them together, then push the floor away. Do 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. This builds the foundation for healthy push-ups and pain-free pressing. Move 4, couch stretch. Your chair shortens the front of your hips all day. The couch stretch opens them back up. Place 1 foot on a chair or sofa behind you, other leg forward in a lunge. Squeeze your glute and keep your ribs down. Hold 30 seconds per side. This single stretch can change how your squat and your lower back feel instantly. Move 5, cat-cow flow. Your spine spends all day frozen in one position. The cat-cow breaks that by moving it through its full range. On all fours, arch your back and look up, then round your spine and tuck your chin. Move slowly, 6 to 8 reps. This simple flow recharges your spine, resets your posture, and leaves your whole body feeling lighter. It takes for about 10 minutes total. Do this at the end of your workday or before your workout, and you'll feel like you switched bodies. Here's my challenge. Do this routine every day for the next 2 weeks. Notice how your posture changes, how your workouts feel stronger, and how much lighter your lower back feels once your glutes start pulling their weight again. Most people let their job shape their body. You can reverse it in minutes a day. Fixing desk body is step 1, but there's still a bigger mistake almost everyone makes that keeps them weak. I break it down in the next video. Click it now before you fall into the same trap.